Hey again everyone. Okay, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to convert this Carson Linde H40D forklift truck from standard alkaline AA batteries to a LiPo battery. It's been done before on YouTube, but I'm going to show you it anyway. Mine might be a little bit different, might be a bit easier. Okay, so normally you would run it on 5 AA batteries that are alkaline. Now they run at 1.5 volts per battery, so that would equal 7.5 volts for 5 batteries. I did try some nickel metal hydrides in it, 5 of them. Um, Now they have 1.2 volts, so 6 batteries would equal only 6 volts. Now it run, but it didn't run very well, and when you switched it on, it was struggling to come on. It would, and then it wouldn't. It was a bit unpredictable. So I decided to put a LiPo in it. The LiPo is a 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp an hour, 20C. Yep. So I'm gonna do quite a bit of it off camera, and then just give you bullet points of what I've done. So the first thing I've done already is underneath where the batteries go. It has springs in these spring contacts. Now I've already took them out. So at both ends, as you can see there, you can just see there's a tab still left in. Now that is the that's the negative, that one. So on the other side, you'll be left with the positive, if you can see that in the corner. Now these two terminals are connected with a wire, and they go to the on-off switch. I'm going to try and leave them in, and I'm going to solder the battery connection, which is an XT30. I'm going to solder that. So you'll have, let's see, you'll have the positive on there and the negative on here, and they'll be soldered on. So that's what an XT30 female looks like. And then on the battery, you've got the male connector and the balance lead. Now this battery I'm using, I've took it out of my Huina 580 excavator. I've got 2 of these, and I've already tried it on the forklift. I just temporarily wired these on, this connector on, plugged it in, and it worked. So yeah, I'm going to get on with it. What I'm going to do, I'm cut all this plastic out, so this battery will fit in there. Okay. Okay, so where we're up to. I've cut all the bottom out. My bit of advice would be take your time, cut bits out, like so. Just cut it out bit by bit. What I used mainly a soldering iron, a hot soldering iron with a cutting tip on it, and just chipped away at it, because there is some wiring under there. I've seen people use the Dremel with one of these cutting wheels in it, but if you go too deep, you're going to hit something that you don't want to hit. With a soldering iron, you can just cut away dead slow, and then pull it out with a pair of pliers. Yep, the battery now fits in like so. So now the next part is to wire the XT30 socket on it, and see how that goes. Right, I've temporarily wired the battery on, just with a couple of crocodile clips on the terminals, and yeah, it all works as it should do. Left and right, up and down on the forks, lights, horn, tilt. Everything's working as it should. So I'm going to put them wires on now, permanent, close it all up and give it a run. Right, all done. All works as it should do. Bottom's on. Quick demo. Up and down on the forks. Tilt forward, backwards, horn, lights. Reverse light and beeper. Quite easy to do. Took me about an hour altogether. Yeah, all done. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.